something wrong. Mommy crying, daddy go, wasn't me. Nosebleed, empty fridge, no groceries. Teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me with me someday, then the first thing you say, something like 85, something wrong. Mommy crying, daddy go, wasn't me. Nosebleed, empty fridge, no groceries. Teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me with me someday, then the first thing you say, something like.
Učesnike 21. trke, Milovanović Ilija, Đurić Grozda, Pešić Mladen, Ilić Ana i Marković Darko na noći do staze.
I just woke up from a fuzzy dream. You never would believe the things that I have seen. I looked in the mirror and I saw your face. You looked right through me, you were miles away. All my dreams, they fade away. I'll never be the same. If you could see me the way you see yourself, I can't pretend to be someone else. You always love me more. When no one's around and I have you here, I begin to see the picture, it becomes so clear. You always have the biggest heart when we're 6,000 miles apart. Too much of no sound, uncomfortable silence can be so loud. Those 3 words are never enough. When it's long distance love, you'll always love me more. Miles away, I hear it in your voice when you're miles away. You're not afraid to tell me, miles away. I guess we're at our best when we're miles away. So far away, 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 so far away.
Tako, bravo Gagi, bravo Gagi. I to sa zavarenim točkom.
Rostamiću,
Evo da popravi točkom.
evo Rebić daje, zato što je bolje od tebe. Potrudi se.
Ja volim kolegi samo da
Gledaj ti da
slikam
me
da
remeti
imamo
da
da
me
me kivaš.
smeni.
Ok. Drugo mesto i srebrna medalja. Bratislav Cvetković. Bratislav Cvetković, Fokon, Sako Daković će dati kolega Nenad Roksanić.
Privodi da je posljednje.
Naš kolega direktor. On se ljubi samo za namama.
Čekaj me, to vam svake godine kažete kad dođemo na posljednje.
Više sreće sljedeće godine.
I uvijek namestite nekog profesionalca.
I na kraju, zlatna medalja. Evo malo slikanje. Zlatna medalja. Osvojeno prvo mesto, šak, elektrokarti, kupu, 2017. Mislim da je najbolje vreme imao, čini mi se, u kvalifikacijama i osvojeno prvo mesto. Miloš Vojvodić. Zlatna medalja i pekar koji će uručiti naš kolega, tehnički direktor Miloš Vasilijević. Još jedan aplauz za Miloša. Pekarica i pekar.
Pekar je za tebe, ovo je za mladence.
Pa imam ja tu neki mladi.
Pa to.
Evo, slikanja, ja vam se svima zahvaljujem što ste u Elitu koji došli ove godine.